Today I'm discussing what is a VA manual underwrite. I seem to be getting more questions about this particular type of VA financing, so I wanted to take some time to explain exactly what it means. So in the event that you're told you have something called a refer eligible as to whether or not you're going to be able to utilize your VA home loan benefit, comment with your questions down below and I will personally make sure that they get answered for you. When a veteran or active duty service member is applying for a loan, what we as mortgage lenders do, we collect that information, right? We review it and then we run it through something called automated underwriting. This comes in two forms, either DU, which is referred to as desktop underwriter. This is the Fannie Mae version of this, or LP. This is referred to as loan prospector. So these are automated underwriting search engines that essentially will pre-qualify your loan up front based upon several factors like income, credit, assets, etc. So what happens when this is taking place is we will get two answers back. We will either get an approve eligible if it's a DU automated underwriting, or LP. And LP will give us an accept. Now, what happens if they don't give us this? That's exactly what I want to discuss. You might apply for a credit card online and the credit card will give you an instant approval, right? Congratulations, you're approved up to this amount. Or it may report back to you and say, okay, we've got to analyze this on a personal level, right? And we'll report to you in 5 to 7 business days. Kind of like the same thing with getting a VA loan. When we run your loan through automated underwriting, the system will determine whether or not this loan is an approvable loan. If it says DU refer eligible, that means that an actual human underwriter must evaluate your loan to determine whether or not you meet the necessary guidelines for a VA loan. So what are some of the circumstances when this could happen? Perhaps the risk threshold may exceed DU's comfort level with approving your loan. So in this particular instance, what has to be done, the underwriter will require additional information in order to determine whether or not you, as the veteran or active duty service member, can get approved for this loan. So for example, when we have a refer eligible, we have the veteran provide additional compensating factors to approve your loan. For example, you'll have to provide 12 months of on-time rent payments to show that you've made your monthly payment in a timely manner. Good to go. In addition to that, you may need to provide various other compensating factors like 12 months of utility bills showing that you've made your payments in a timely manner. Maybe a cell phone bill. In addition to that, things that are going to help you get over this refer eligible and into this approval range is mortgage reserves in the bank. Good to go. So if you're in this particular situation, you have a refer eligible and the mortgage lender is telling you that you can't do it, you may want to consider getting a second opinion. And if you'd like for me to personally review this for you, know that I would be happy to do so. My team and I specialize in VA loans and would be honored to serve you. My name is Jimmy Vercellino. If you found that this information was of value and you feel like I earned it, consider showing your love, clicking like on the video. Also, if you want, subscribe to the channel. Allows us to educate more veterans and active duty military. And lastly, comment with your questions down below and I will personally make sure that they get answered for you. Talk to you soon.